do you need?
I need Shields and Anderson. Are they in the San Bernardino line?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need them as a Pathfinder. And but I'm missing Alta Diablo.
Alta Diablo.
Alta Diablo. I'm missing that one.
Alta Diablo is not the
It's not one of the
HPSP.
9.
No, but it's San Bernardino.
Yes,
line.
yes.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, then I
Yes,
guess
it
I need
is.
that one too.
Yeah. So, but the way I'd like,
That's very easy.
yeah.
Yeah.
But the way
just
I'd like to
from
do
the
it is,
trail, just easy.
if
Just right
I
there.
come from the South Fork.
Lady Wazani, the young guys. You remember the
Which guy?
lady?
Larry.
Lady
Larry who?
Wazani, the young guy.
Oh, Wozniak, the good-looking one?
Yeah, he also very
I
clever.
know who that is.
Oh, he is good looking. Apparently everybody thinks so. Apparently he has to beat the ladies off.
He's a super strong guy. The sheep and the topa topa, we did it together.